Me so for it me.
Sagana according to the say Yatimia Masqua free other than criticizing.
Oh, Charlie. Me say free education no kwa de o, eno kwa o. Eno kwa. It say no, me problem ne say like MPP phone pay for now. Nkwala no edidi atema, omo so didi omo atem bi. Omo na ma in this phone nkwala no chance. Etim didi omo atem sa mo no those kind of viral. We should in Japan say yeah. Me seriously I respect this man, but then I was in nkwala bi agoro no. Ya. I swear, ya pa. And you class no, but only this Kevin Taylor did do what as a kola kitikiti bi. Ya pa. So what they say, kola kitikiti say no. Don't just leave them. Just do your work. So what they say, you know, almost so sana na say. I don't know obi aye propaganda do. We all know. So what they say. But it's like Japan ni Kevin Taylor. How? Na Kevin Taylor, oh come on. So what they say, this is all rubbish propaganda. So what they say, fact being. So what they say. So BBC na emi ya, but mostly the young shady na beye.
What you enjoy with your krumuha? A be bagana. Was it Abby? Mr. Mahama maybe 4 years into the MP. Oh dear, until maybe 4 years. We are more than one fast my papa. Well, back I control BC. Abaya absorbing the fees. Exam fees. What throw BC and now many will say. When I go and what Ghana for now, Omuntumen pass it. Well, we have because free education was a side binding here because they say NDC. NDC for catchers the free education. No become. Have you forgotten? I said, look at ya. What he said about free education. First thing he said was review. When he was pressed on the review, he said, I said, Kwame, I did about Kadia. Then you came one, you know, a blue how you see. 2018, and this is a fact. 2018, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, Obejina Hosim so direct, can he play? If I have 2 billion, I will not use it for free education. I didn't say this. 2018, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama said, free education and no quality. It is not quality education. None in the area mobile home. Ghana for here, yeah, mobile. Mama minka say min trem. Now where's your fact? Me be money for BB. Mo sha be mam. Obi a sha be mam you. Ya papa Mahama. O making statement be say free education and your quality education. And I'm a yo. We shall use their own words to expose them. Minya. Is it true, sir? Papa be a president here, your friend of His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Is it true? I want to know. Has there been a man who has been on the throne called His Excellency John Dramani Mahama? Yes. Is it true that his father was a minister of the state? Yes. Is it true that they had money to take him to international school, boarding school, all these schools? Yes, they could. But where did he go? He went to free education. You see the difference? Mokai Rollins. Mokai Yanka say Papa Jerry John Rollins. Or say, Omo minima de no intellectuals no. Omo no must say mine. Into about Mokai universities no. Obe close here. Do you guys remember? History. So 2004 money do money fix the country. Any freedom fighters say Jimmy for Omo do money they are making. Dr. Ren, no, who do can say history we are, they don't know. But yeah, no, we learn, no, we know. J.J. Rollins, or the 2 KNUS, the over 2 to name. Because I say, one more minimum idea, and one more 2 intellectual, they are a threat to society. That was the word he used. Or attack academia for new year, you know. And I started then PWC, provincial workers, provincial workers defense. We said then, or coffee no so buy to come and collapse companies. I then watch mattress whisker. I then appear men can we say I don't know why I will say, I like you know what Malino, I don't know what say Japadian in now or breaking Omunina down. Fast forward, another NDC president, John Dramani Mahama. Or no call free education and Kruma the enemy. Everybody so president, you know. Obi ba what here kura or tea table or timber away a sebu kwaman kese or tea yembe gomwa or tea gomwa kumase or tea Cape Coast or tea atima deso or tea and krakan or say she benya biakwa ya papa ne ho se den enye quality mokai abeku santana no. Hey, now dear free the bet my papa ni. I dear free the and you. Hey, me dear sister, me dear me pia me dear. Yes, she said, mamma phone tardy. As she says, she said, papa for kaki. Eki come when tardy she mumo. And the line name map. Free education for one night. Free education for one. Oh, free education. For one, I free education. No, motor sankwasi anu mu ide chile. Now, president now one say JM to asumo. Wako free education ni bende nyamya ya nado manaba ya president. No, catch the Uganda and he said, would you be a top quality? You guys, God will punish you for hating a Kufado. God will never forgive you for doing all these things to Kufado and Baumia. Somebody went to free education and became a president of Ghana. Obey a president, you know, we had oil money to take kids to school. He refused to implement that. When he even decided to do progressively free, our daddy did not pay the school fees. Thanks to Napo, who came to give us the real deal. Go and ask now, no, Pokwajiman. Say progressively free, no. If they were even able to pay 1 CD or 1 Tesla of it. And not by here, Napo no buy and on BTI. Why are we doing this to ourselves? Ghana for Obiako free education. I'll be your president. No, I'm not going to free education in Yadapa. Not Ghana, you wouldn't achieve. Rollins, the Bacatria said education is for and yet. Well, we are not the as an autonomous, any Yasantuanum, any Kiamaninum, Akuko school, Brotire, international big schools. Amanda, as an Altabay, MPOSO, and TBI, the Kimani, flag bearer, NDC. Once and I say, I was starting, Mammy. Because if we get mommy to join the party, projecting Kiamani will be easy. You guys are not deep thinkers. Munjunim Quetchley. And Kruma free SHS or the buy and Ghana Babunu. Not the Anin Kahu. Not school uniform in Kahu. Not textbooks in Kahu. We are about who did it 3 times a day. We day students who did it once a day. And now mama 1 hot meal a day. Then you sit down for somebody who said, say, 2 million on free education. 2018. You see